If you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, then avoid these mistakes. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 mistakes that I've seen and I've made that people are making that is causing them to fail in this business. If you want to avoid these mistakes that I'm gonna share with you, stick to the end of this video. What's up guys, Shara back with another video, and in this video I'll be sharing with you guys 5 mistakes that people are making and that I have made that is causing them to fail in affiliate marketing or any business to do with online or the internet. So the number 1 mistake that people are making and that I have made is they don't find the perfect offer. What I mean by the perfect offer is that it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just it just has to convert well so that you can make money when you're promoting it. So what you can do is, like most people do, is they find offers that their friends have told them about, or they've read on the internet that this is the next big thing, but they don't do their research about that product to see if it actually converts well and if people are actually making money. So what I want to share with you is, make sure you do your research about the product so you can have a better understanding of the product, and so you can make a good logical decision if you want to promote that product. Find the capture page, the thank you page, the whole funnel. Make sure you find that. Make sure you see if it works, see if it's congruent to your brand, and if you think that's the perfect one, then choose that and stick with it and promote that. The second mistake that people are making and that I have made is wanting to be perfect in everything they do. What do I mean about this? When I started making these videos, I thought they had to be edited really well and they had to be perfect, like I've seen like other people do that have big channels. But what I didn't know is that when they started like at the bottom. They didn't know how to edit videos, they didn't know how to create good content, they didn't know how to speak well in front of the camera. How that skill comes is just doing that thing every day so that you can acquire that skill. You don't have to be perfect, and no one is perfect. You just have to do the thing over and over and over again, so until you gain that skill and master it. I read in the book Mastery that it takes 10,000 hours for a person to master a skill. Imagine that, 10,000 hours of work and hustle to master something, and people want to do it in like 2 minutes. That can't be done. You have to do things over and over and over again until you get it. Like me, I've been playing soccer, and I've been playing for 5 years straight, no, since I was 7 years old, and I'm still having trouble putting the ball in the corner of the net. Imagine that, almost 8 years of playing and practicing, and I can't still put that ball in the corner of the net. Now I've been injured, and I'll talk about this in another video about my story and how I came here, but that's another video, that's another rant. The third mistake people are making is they don't master traffic. What do I mean by that? Is they don't master traffic generation. There's a lot of ways to drive traffic to your affiliate products or e-commerce or anything you're doing, but people don't stick to one traffic source until they master it. They go from one traffic source to another, and they keep jumping around, and they never get to master one specific thing and then move on. Like me, I started doing Bing ad, that worked, but I wanted to try something else to see if I can make money quicker. So I went to Instagram. I tried to build an Instagram account. It's over 1,000 followers, but I gave up on that because I wasn't seeing any results. And then I went to Facebook. I started doing attraction marketing, which I'm still doing, but I didn't see any results in that. So I came to YouTube. Now, YouTube is my final traffic source, which I'm gonna be grinding and hustling on until I see results. And that is what you need to do, guys. You need to find a traffic source and stick to it until you see results and until you manage to master it. So if you guys want to learn about that, go subscribe to my channel. You'll guys see how I make these videos, and I have some videos about how you can get started making money online. Now, this is not a metaphor, but something you can imagine. Imagine you have the greatest product in the world, and that is gonna change the world. That's gonna solve a big problem like global warming or anything that's really big, but you keep it to yourself and you don't share it with anyone. No one's gonna know what your product is. You need to put it in front of people for them to see and to judge. If your product is good, when people see it, then they're gonna gravitate toward it and they're gonna buy it. So, if you guys want to make money, you have to put your product in front of people through through traffic sources. That could be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, anything, Google. So master one specific traffic source and stick to that until you see a result. Mistake number 4 that people are making is they let their emotions play a big role in their decision making. What I mean about that, people are driven by emotion, and you need to say fuck that emotion and be logical. Let me explain. So if you're making videos like this online and you don't see any result, and then your emotions are gonna come to play and say, wow, I'm doing all this work and I'm not getting any result, I should quit. That is your emotions. Don't play into your emotions. Be logical. You know that people are making a lot of money with their YouTube channels, and if you want to succeed, you have to keep making videos until your channel grows bigger. Now, your emotions are telling you to stop making videos and try something new. You don't want to do that because all that work you put in is gonna go to waste. Don't let your work go to waste. Keep doing what you're doing and stay logical. Think logically and plan logically. Don't let your emotions control you. Now, if you're making YouTube videos and your emotions are gonna come to play, that people are gonna judge me. Everyone's gonna judge you if you put yourself out there. There's not one single person that isn't going to judge you. People are going to judge you either a good way or a bad way. So you just want to put yourself out there, and the people who are judging you good are gonna follow you. People that are judging you bad, fuck them, right? So don't be afraid to put yourself out there and make videos or anything you want to do. Don't let your emotions control you. Mistake number 5 is that people that want to succeed fast in this online business that they're trying to build is that they don't find a mentor fast. If you want to succeed fast and make money quickly, which I don't think you can do, but I know some people that have done it in a month and have profited. If you want to make your learning curve faster and want to start making money online quickly, is that you need to find a mentor. Find someone that is producing the results you want. Find a way to connect with them and get them to mentor you. So one tip that I'm gonna be making a video, the next video around, is that how you can find a mentor. So you want to get that person that's producing the results you want and get them to mentor you. That's gonna like cut the learning curve for you so you can get the result that you want faster. If you guys don't know how to start and want to find a mentor, click the link in the description and it's gonna take you to a free video training of my mentor that's gonna show you how you can start making money online. And then if you like, you can get his mentorship and start making money online. So click the link in the description and you can get started from there. Now, if you guys are struggling to produce leads and produce sales in your business and don't know where to look for, in the link in the description I've put a website that it's gonna take you to my mentor on how to make money online and produce results. If you guys are interested, go to the link in the description. He's gonna personally mentor you, and there are some other coaches that are gonna help you to succeed even faster. If you guys want that, go in the link in the description. If you guys like this video, make sure you press that like button. And if you guys want more videos like this where I show you how to make money online and have a life of freedom, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.